The taquitos, I'm a huge taquito fan. They are perfectly fried. I'm not even joking you. When I took that first bite and you hear that crunch and then it's soft on the inside, that's exactly what you look for in a taquito.
Chicana Vegana, she is a shining bright star in the vegan community.
The concept for Chicana Vegana really stemmed from who I am as my identity. It was, what did I grow up eating? What are the foods that I really crave and I can't get vegan? These were things that I just made and they ended up being like some of my most popular items. We want to give people the full experience. We serve you the whole plate and you have nothing to worry about. Hi, I'm Jasmine Hernandez and I own and operate Chicana Vegana, an all-vegan food truck. Mexican-inspired food from Cali burritos all the way down to chili cheese fries, all the favorites you grew up with on the California coast. And today we're here at Meatless Monday. It's a community event. We come together and put forward our vegan food. So it's just really about infusing your bases with the right ingredients and the right spices. That's the key.
I didn't know they had taquitos until I came here last Monday. I think they're awesome. The cheese is like super like creamy, like, you know, cheese with, you know, dairy in it does. The flavors are all there. I mean, they've got pico de gallo, jalapenos, you know, potatoes inside the taquitos.
Chicana Vegana, she is a shining bright star and she's cooking awesome food. My favorite dish is the asada fries. That's it, it's no-brainer.
People are now just really tapping into what's possible in the kitchen. When you have your successful days, you feel like a superhero. You're doing it as a business, but you're also contributing to a good movement.